Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix link direct open on browser or problem solved. If you're experiencing issue with links not opening directly in your browser, you can try the following solution. What you have to do is first open your Google Chrome web browser, and on the top right corner, there's this three dot icon. Click on that. And what you have to do is click on the settings, which is on the bottom over here. Click there. And over here, what you have to do is select the privacy and security option. And after under the privacy and security, try clearing your browsing data as well and clear the data. And then click on the OK, got it option. This can sometimes also fix the link direct open on browser, or you could also try checking your browser extensions, which is on the left corner. There's on the bottom, there's this option extensions. Click on that and disable any browser extensions or add-ons that might be causing the issue. You can do this by going to your browser setting or the extensions add-on menu. And also update your browser. Ensure your browser is up to date. Check for the updates in the browser setting or download the latest version from the official website as well. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.